All right, everybody. Thank y'all for coming back. Sorry. Come back. My phone died on me. That's why I hate moving my phone when I'm recording. Sometimes, it'll do that. So, I am finished with my egg rolls, everybody. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. So, I just want to cut into one and let y'all see how the inside of it look, because I don't even know how it looked, okay? So again, this is what I use. I had used the egg roll wrappers, the large ones at Kroger's, okay? And they have a lot up in here. It's like 1 pound. And you could do so much with this, okay? I use that. I use pork pan sausage because my goal was to make some type of breakfast type of egg roll. You know what I mean? Okay. So I'm not really concerned with sauces because my goal was just to try to make a breakfast pan sausage egg roll. Okay. However, I did mix up a little different sauce just to see how it tastes. And it tastes pretty good. It tastes spicy. Okay. Hold on. Ooh, wait. Give me a second. Damn, that must have been spicy. Can y'all see the egg rolls? Hopefully y'all can see it. Okay. Woo, shit. Okay, so hopefully. All right. Now I'm breathing. So now that I have the egg rolls down pat, and I know that I can use this as some type of appetizer for a party or something like that, and just get crazy with the creations and see what flavors, what meats can go well together. So this is how it came out, everybody. This is how it came out. So the bottom is without the cheese. The top is with the cheese. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and cut into one. And this is the part I've been waiting for. All right, so I'm going to take one. Actually, I'm going to take this one, okay? And I just want to cut. Ooh, it's crispy. All right. That's how it look on the inside, y'all. Okay, I did put some mozzarella. This is the one that has the cheese. Pan sausage, okay? So that's how it look. As you can see, it's nice and steamy, all right? So now, let me give it a taste and see how it tastes, okay? I'm going to use this little sauce I made, just a little bit. Okay. Y'all see the little carrots up in there? See? The mixture that I did with the thinly sliced carrots, with the scallions. No, this is the second one, Ernest. But you can do a recap on the first part, okay? With the scallions, with the garlic, with the thinly sliced carrots, with almost a whole onion, with jalapeno pepper. It is not too spicy. Oh, y'all, that is good. Oh my gosh. I love it. The cheese. Make sure you put cheese in there. The cheese sets it off. Okay. Mozzarella. Let me tell you. It tastes just like ground meat, but it tastes better because, pan sausage have more flavor. And this was the hot pan sausage, okay? It had cheese inside. It had onions. So when you watch the first part of my video, make sure you see how I make the meat. Because I made the meat with the garlic, thinly sliced carrots, okay, jalapeno. I have to try making them. Looks good. Thank you. It does taste good. Y'all have to try this with the pan sausage. No lie. I'm loving the taste of it. It's crispy. Make sure you double your wrappers. I doubled mine. Make sure you seal the edges with egg wash. Make sure when you roll it, you get a tight roll. Okay? Bring the outer corners inside, tucked. Continue to roll it. When you get to the end, just put the egg wash. Oh my God. Damn. I just had an idea. Dirty rice egg rolls. What y'all think about that? Cajun dirty rice egg rolls. That would be a good one, right? Add some of that. Well, it's already going to have chicken liver in it, or I can do ground meat in it, okay? So good. I love it. Make it with the cheese inside. You will enjoy it much, much more. Okay? I have to eat that one. Okay? I have my avocado. My egg rolls came out good. Okay? I like the way it came out. Double your wrappers. Okay? You'll enjoy it so much more. Okay? All right. I wasn't trying to get a sauce down pat because of the fact that you can play around with the sauces. You can buy some sauces. You don't have to make it. But I think everything tastes better when you make it from scratch, right? So, I hope this video has given you some type of ideas of how you can create your own egg rolls at home with your own twist, okay? So this is something I just wanted to try out. I never made egg rolls. I did make the wontons. I'll probably do the wontons on another video with the Philly cheese on the inside, and I don't know what else I would put. I wouldn't mind kind of playing around with some shrimp wontons. Ooh, that sounds good, don't it? Oh my gosh, they would go crazy. This right here is a keeper, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. The flavors are just bursting everywhere in my mouth. Oh my gosh. With my seasonings from the pan, the pork pan sausage, it's delicious, okay? When y'all try this and y'all try y'all version, please tag me because I want to know how y'all like it. And if y'all enjoy my video, I will be posting this video on my YouTube channel. Make sure you follow me on YouTube under Yoyo's Kitchen. Make sure you're following me under Yolanda Patillo because this is where I do my big, cooking shows because I have a lot of people on my page already. I also have my own food group called Yoyo's Kitchen. Make sure you follow me on Yoyo's Kitchen, okay? And that is it, everybody. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. All right, and again, make sure you pick up your copy of Yoyo's Kitchen, Cooking with Passion. It's on Amazon, and it's also on my website, okay? So you have a good day. I'm going to go ahead and relax for the... Oh, wow. Oh, shit. Y'all, it's 2:41. I got to get the hell up out of here. Faith is about to get out of school. Bye, y'all. I hope y'all like this video. Please share. Yoyo's Kitchen, Houston, Texas. Make sure y'all follow me. Screenshot. All right. Thank you. See y'all later.